Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we saw how to use at conditional annotation with at configuration. In this video, we are going to explore how to use at conditional annotation with at bean. So in this video, we are going to use the code from the previous video and we will make changes in that code to understand how to use at conditional annotation with at bean. But before making the changes, let us review the classes that we have already created. So we have a package named as match.strategy. So this package has one interface named matching strategy and it has three implementation classes: one to one matching, one to many matching, and many to many matching. Yeah, we have also created three configuration classes corresponding to each matching strategy in the config package. We have one enum named as match type. So this enum match type represents all the matching strategies that are available in our application, and we can use this matching strategy name in the application.properties file to assign the matching strategy name for the application. We have one utility class named as matching configuration. So this utility class maintains a mapping, and this mapping stores the matching strategy name and its corresponding configuration class name. This utility class also provides a method get match type. This method takes the class name and it returns the matching strategy name. And we also have one condition that we are using in the at conditional annotation. Since we are going to use at conditional annotation with at bean, so I'm going to remove the at conditional annotation from all the configuration classes. I will apply the at conditional annotation on the bean methods. Let me start with one-to-one matching config. So from here I'm going to remove at conditional and going to apply it on the bean method. And here I'm also going to provide a name to the bean. So instead of a single name, I'm going to provide multiple names to the bean. So this is one to one. Yeah, so we are done with our changes in the configuration classes. Now we need to update the matching condition. So in the matching condition at line number 18, you can see that we are getting the class name. and this class name is the name of the class on which add conditional annotation is applied. But here we are applying the add conditional annotation with add bean. So this statement would not be useful for us anymore. So I'm going to remove this statement, and I'm going to get the bean names, and that information we can get from the metadata object. Yeah, this get annotation attributes method returns a map. So from that map we are going to get the bean names using the name as a key. Yeah, so this method get is going to return one array of type string, because we can provide multiple names to the bean. So we are going to have those multiple names in the form of array. So here we are getting the bean name. In the matching configuration class we need to make the changes, because in the matching configuration class we are having the matching strategy name, and its value is the configuration class name. So we need to replace the configuration class name with bean name. So we are done with our changes in the matching configuration class. Okay, so we are again in the condition. So using the get match type we are going to get the bean name. So we also need to replace this class name with the bean name, and I'm also going to remove the statement from line number 19. Okay, so we are done with our changes. So let me execute the code. Yes, so here we are getting the exception, and which is saying that there is no match for any matching strategy. So let me rewrite it. Okay, and this is going to take the names from the bean names. Dot length. Yeah, let me execute the code now. Yeah, so in order to fix the problem, we need to make changes in the matching configuration class. So inside the bean, we are providing the multiple bean names. So in the matching configuration, instead of using the string value, we need to maintain the list of bean names. So I'm going to modify it. So it's going to be a list of string. And here I'm going to use list dot of. It has 1 to 1, and then it has 1 to 1. And instead of equals, we are going to use contains method. Okay, so we are done with our changes, and in 1 to 1 matching config, we also need to update the bean name. It is 1 to 1. Let me execute the code now. Yeah, so here we can see bean is created for many to many matching. Currently we are using 3 configuration classes, one for each matching strategy. So instead of 3 configuration classes, we are going to create one configuration class, and in that configuration class we would have 3 bean methods corresponding to each matching strategy. I'm going to copy the methods from the configuration classes one by one. So we are done for many to many matching. We need to update the method names. So for many to many, let us say its name is matching strategy many to many, and then this is one to many, and the last one is one to one, and I'm going to remove 3 configuration classes. Done. I'm going to execute the code. Yeah, so here we can see a bean is created for many to many matching, and in the configuration we can see which matching strategy is defined. So in the matching configuration we can see many to many matching strategy is defined. So I'm going to update it to one to many, and I'm going to execute the code again. Yeah, so here we can see a bean is created for one to many matching.
Thanks for watching the video. See you all in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.